Hello everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back. Hello ladies and gentlemen, kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer and I am the owner and operator of Lajoytra Creation Designs. I want to thank you all for joining me this today, morning, noon, or night for this here how to make a wood bead earring. Okay. Now, all of the items that you see here that I'm going to be using is from Walmart, except for the coil shell. Okay, this is not from Walmart. I order my coil shells from Amazon. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this video. All right, you're going to need some round nose pliers, some wire cutters. Now, I did a haul on these items right here. I got this was in a pack of 5 for 99¢, and I believe this was in a pack of 2 or 3. These are wood beads, okay? Also, I have these 6mm wood beads. They look like, the color of them is like a wine color, like a red, like a rose wine or red wine, or but these are 6mm and these are wood beads. And I also got these in one. They came in a pack, so you had I had about maybe 25 or 30 of these in that one pack. Okay, all from Walmart. You're going to need some 20 gauge wire. Cut your 20 gauge wire at least between 7 and 8 inches long, whatever you choose. You're going to need some flat nose pliers, a dowel. You can find this dowel at Walmart, okay? This aluminum wire that I'm going to be using, I got it from Walmart. You're going to need 2 pieces, 8 inches long, and you're going to need 2 pieces, 13 inches long, okay? So we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, y'all, and I did forget to mention that you will need some jump rings, okay? Fish hooks, I'm sorry. You're going to need 2 fish hooks. So we're going to go ahead and get started on these earrings. Now, I want to warn you, for those of you who do not like really long earrings, this may not be the video for you because these earrings are pretty long, okay? They're going to be long. So the very first thing that I'm going to do before I do anything is I am going to take my piece of 12 gauge wire and I am going to make a series of spirals. So I'm going to take my round nose pliers, make my loop up at the top, just like that. All right, and if you have a pair of nylon pliers, and you can use nylon pliers, but I tell everybody, those of you who've been following me for a while, y'all know I don't use my nylon pliers. I do have a pair, but me and the hands, but those just don't work, y'all. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll this all the way down, and I'm going to, while you're rolling it, you want to try to keep it as tight and close together as possible. Okay. And you're going to continue to roll this down just like this. And this is pretty much what you're going to have. Now when you get down to the very end, you're going to have a piece sticking out. That piece is about 1/2 inch, okay? You're going to take and pinch it with your round nose pliers up. All right, and we're going to set this off to the side. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put these 2 pieces together. So to be honest with you, it's very amazing how this will fit through here, but once you get it in there, it's going to stay in place. I'm going to bring this down just like that. It snugs. It's really snugged up in there, okay? The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my dowel and my 12 gauge 8 inches of aluminum wire, and I'm going to come down about 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 an inch and about an inch and a half. I'm going to pinch it up just like this, and I'm going to bring both sides down. Okay, I'm going to take this little piece, the short piece, and I'm just going to wrap it around the long piece. Okay, and you can wrap it once, twice, how many times you prefer. And this is what you are going to have. So your piece is going to look like that. I'm going to take my flat nose pliers and come in and just try to squeeze them together. And then I'm going to cut this extra piece that's hanging right here off with my wire cutters. And then I'm going to come back in and squeeze everything together. Okay, all right. So this is pretty much what you are going to have. Now you're going to take your first 6mm wood bead, and you're going to slide that down on there. You have to make sure that whatever beads you get will fit on your 12 gauge aluminum wire. Okay, now I'm going to add on this piece, and then I'm going to add my second 6mm wood bead. I'm going to bring that down just like that, and then I'm going to make a loop at the top with my round nose pliers. I'm going to pinch it over a tad bit and make a loop. Okay, slide that out just like that. All right, and we want to bring it up a little bit. Now I'm going to hold this over and start wrapping it around just like this. Okay. All right, because this is going to be in the front of my bead. And then I'm going to take my round nose pliers and I'm going to make a loop, and I'm going to roll it up. Actually, okay, y'all, I went the wrong way. So I'm supposed to go this way to roll it like this. Okay, and then I'm going to pinch that down just like that. So this is the body of the earring, and this is what you are going to have. Okay, now the next thing you're going to do is we're going to add on our coral shell, which is right here. So the 20 gauge wire that we have, we're going to take our round nose pliers and we're going to come down as far as we can and in the middle and bring these two pieces together just like this. And this is what you are going to have. Okay, now we're going to take and add that on to this piece. So we're going to just take this, bring it through, push it up just like that, and it is going to be on there. Now the very next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our round nose pliers, hold this just like that, and we're going to wrap this about 3 times. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Now, as you wrap it, let me show you what you're going to have. You want your wires to be going to the side. Okay, so your wires are going to be going, one's going to be going this way and one is going to be going this way. One should be facing you and one should be behind you. You're going to take your coral shell, place that down in the center, and pinch it together as tight as you can. Let me show you. Okay, pinching it together. You're going to take this back piece and you're going to bring it to the front and you're going to start wrapping it around that wire. Now, like I said, you want to hold it as tight as you can because you don't want your seashell to fall out. Now, the thing about this, if you squeeze it as tight as you can squeeze it, it's going to go down in between your shell, okay? Now, you can wrap this once, twice, 3 times, how many times you feel that you want to. All right, it's completely up to you. And then I'm going to take and I'm going to snip this off. So I did it about 4 times. I'm going to take my wire cutters and snip that. Okay, I'm going to take my flat nose pliers and go in and squeeze that down so nothing is sticking. And we're almost there, y'all. Okay, now the very last thing I'm going to do, or the very last couple of things I'm going to do, is I'm going to take and I'm going to make a loop. I'm going to bend my wire over. Okay, and I'm going to make a loop at the top. Okay, just like this. Have your loop. You want to bend it. And then you want to take your round nose pliers. I can't find my other pliers, y'all. My 3-in-1s. And hold that over top. And then start wrapping it around just like this. Okay, now I'm only going to wrap this one time and I'm going to snip off this little extra right here. Okay, I'm going to take my flat nose pliers and go in and squeeze, try to squeeze everything in together without breaking your wire. And then I'm going to add on my fish hook. I'm going to open my fish hook up and I'm going to slide this, whatever side you want. I'm going to slide this on just like that, okay? I'm going to close this up with my flat nose pliers. And then I'm going to add on this piece, okay? Now, I'm going to make a loop and bring it over just like that. And I'm going to just slide that right on just like that. And make sure when you slide it on that you're sliding it on from, and you're putting it in the back of the earring, because if not, this is going to be in the front and you want this part to be in the back, okay? And you have yourself a beautiful pair of earrings. Now, like I said before, these earrings are long, okay? They're pretty long. Everybody do not like long earrings, but I love long earrings. Long earrings is a statement. Any type of earrings is a statement, but it's a bold statement, okay? So I'm actually looking for my ruler so I can let you all know really how long these earrings really are. And some people may say that may not be long, but these are long, y'all. These are about 5.5. They're about 5.5 inches long. Yeah, they're 5.5 inches long. But once you put them in your ear, they may hang a little longer. Okay? So with that being said, I want to thank you all for clicking on to another how to create these earrings right here. And like I said, I got all of this from Walmart out of the 99 cent. Even the wire is 97 cents. Okay. For those of you who don't have a Walmart near you, you can order from walmart.com. See if they have any of this kind of stuff from walmart.com. Like I said, I got the shells from Amazon. I made my own fish hooks, okay? So this is another design that you all can make and create. And I want to thank you all for taking the time out to watch this video. I greatly appreciate it. If you are new, please subscribe by hitting the all bell button on the side so that when I upload more videos, you will definitely be notified. Please like and share. Give this video a thumbs up. And until the next video, ladies and gentlemen, peace and blessings. See ya.